Hey, it's Anupam, and I'm sure you must have heard of web hosting by Hostinger, but do you know they also have an AI website builder? In this video, we are going to explore that feature of Hostinger. You can build an amazing website within seconds with this AI website builder by Hostinger without any coding knowledge or hiring an expensive web developer. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is head over to the Hostinger's website. You can head over here by clicking on the link in the description. It's going to help me out as well. This is hostinger.com. And if you're from another country, you can just select this. You can go to the specific country like Malaysia or India. And if I click on Malaysia, it's going to give me this website. This is hostinger.my. Or if you click on this again and then go for India, it's going to go to hostinger.in. The only difference between these websites is the pricing. You're going to get the same features. So I'll go back to the main website. This is hostinger.com. And if you go down, you'll find this 3 plans. It's best to go with the business plan. I don't think there is any need for the premium plan because if you see here, they have this 100 GB SSD storage and this is 200 GB NVMe storage. This is much better compared to the SSD storage. Then you get managed WordPress in both of them. There's one thing you don't get in premium which you get in business, which is free CDN. So in business, you're getting the free CDN as well and daily backups, which is a $25 value. And this is only $1 difference. You're going to get the free domain in both of these plans. This free domain is not for lifetime. This is just for the first year. After that, you will have to pay for the domain. And it includes the Hostinger website builder as well. And you can host your WordPress website too. Click on this choose plan, then you will be redirected to the checkout page. If you want, you can go for the 48 months plan. But what I have seen is the 24 months plan is the best bang for buck. And after that, scroll down, you'll find select a payment. So if you go for Indian website and if you select the same plan, which is the business one over here, you're going to find that the 24 months plan is $239 with the 20% referral discount code, which you're going to get if you go through my link. And you're just going to have to pay 6,700 rupees for 2 years. And if you go for the hostinger.com, $90 compared to $113 that you will have to pay if you do not go through my link, which is going to give you a 20% discount. The next thing we have to do is pay. So you can go for PayPal or Google Pay. If you're from India, you can pay with UPI settings as well. Once you have paid, you can head over to the Hostinger dashboard, which is going to look like this. And then it will ask you to set up the business web hosting. It's going to ask you very minimal questions, like a few questions, that's it. And it's not going to affect your hosting. It's just simple questions. And then it will give you this manage button over here. Go to the websites on the top and then click on add a website. It's going to give you these 2 options, which is going to be WordPress and Hostinger website builder. We are going to click on the Hostinger website builder. This is how it looks like. And it's saying let AI create your website in minutes. So we're going to click on start creating. You can tell the AI about your website. So we can say website type, click on the drop down and you can see all of these. So if you are creating a blog, a portfolio, a landing page, online store, what type of a website you're trying to create, you can select from the drop down. For our tutorial, I'm going to select online store. And for the brand name, I was thinking about creating a chocolate online store. So let's say hold up chocolates. This is going to be the brand name. And then the description. If you don't know about the description, you can just go for ChatGPT and you can ask it, like my company name is Hold Up Chocolate and it's a chocolate brand. Write up a description for it in 100 words max. You should use this line over here, which is avoid jargon and use active voice. This is going to make it sound much better compared to that weird language that it creates usually. So just click on this button and ChatGPT is going to write up a description for us. And just copy the whole thing and do copy, go back to our Hostinger AI website builder, and in the description we're just going to paste it. Next you have got personalization settings. Let's click this and this is colors. So what do you want your website to look like in terms of colors? So you can just say surprise me or you can have your own color palette. I would suggest do the surprise me thing and then create a website. Click on create a website. So the AI is now creating the website for us. This is the website that the AI created for us, and you can see that our navigation is also set up, the cart, and all the sections here. And it's completely working at the moment. You can go inside each of these store menus and store menu and the store items as well. Like I can go here on shop, in about page, and the contact page as well. You can also change the website from desktop to mobile to see how the website looks like in the mobile version. And then let's switch back to desktop, and this is edit. So this is continue to editing mode, which is going to allow us to change the website settings, customize the design, and a lot more. So let's click on edit. Here it will ask you a few questions like set up your store. You can set up your country of the store, and then it's also going to give you this option, which is currency. So if you want, you can set up the currency as well. Then just click on continue. Now this is the dashboard of the editing experience of the AI website builder. So this is the dashboard, and then first thing you can go for products. On the left hand side menu you can see products. We are going to click on this, and then we have 6 products that is set up by the AI. And if you click on this button, which is add product, if you let's say you want to add another product, you can click on this button, and it's going to give you these options, which is choose product type. So this is physical product, so which requires a pickup and shipping. So you can choose this, or a digital product. Let's say you want to add an ebook or a digital template, you can do that with here. They also have donations. You can collect donations. This is services. If you have an expertise in a service, you can click this. Or appointment. This is very similar to how Calendly works. Let's edit one of our items, which the AI created. Click on these 3 dots icon, and then you will find these 3 options. Click on edit. Now we are inside that physical product. So you can add more images over here. The title, subtitle, ribbon, let's change it to new. And then description. Use the AI writer to write a description for this product, but we are going to just keep it the way it is. And then there is add to bag button for the product. Let's say you do not want this item to be purchased, you just click on disable. For us, we are going to keep it enabled. And then price, you can set the price. Discount price, you can set this. SKU, stock keeping unit. And then the weight of the product. Track quantity, click on this. You can add like 100, whatever quantity you have for that product, you can just add that over here. Then the next we have options. Click on this, and then different colors of these chocolates, you can add that. So let's say I can say color, and then type selection red, and add new. I can make it green. I can make it red and green, and then click on save, which is going to give us this option, color, red and green. Now I can manage variants, and I can choose the images for these variants and the price for each of these. You can also show the lowest price first. You can do that. The different SKU and discount price for each of these, and then click on save. We currently don't have any categories, so we're going to add them on the categories page. Let's click on this, and first we need to save this. Always remember to save it, and then we will go to the categories next. Once we are in the categories, you're going to find that we have 6 products in all products category. So let's add another one. Let's say add category, and I'm going to say luxury chocolates. And then this is luxury chocolates, and then there are no products in this category. So we're going to assign the products. Let's click on these 2 and save. 2 of our products are now in the category luxury chocolates. Now we're just going to save it, and it's going to create us the category luxury chocolates. Then you can just keep on adding new categories as you like. Next we go to orders. Whenever a customer places an order, you're going to find it over here in the order section page. And then appointments, which is going to redirect us to the booking. This is enable appointments. So if you click on this, we will find this. This is exactly like how Calendly works, but this is integrated inside Hostinger. You can edit your availability and block time and such. and then people can book appointments with you. Then this is discounts. If you want your store to have different discount codes, if you want your store to have discounts, let's say you have a Black Friday coming up, you can make a discount code like Black Friday 50, and you can give a 50% discount code for all your customers, and you can send that in a newsletter or inform them via email. So let's say this is it, and I can add Black Friday, and I can make it the discount name as Black Friday campaign, and then discount I can add as 50. Now apply to all products, or you can apply to specific categories. Because we have created a category called luxury chocolates, so I'm going to add it over here. And then you have got some discount conditions that you can choose. So limit the total number of users for this discount, you can do that. Let's say we just want people to use it for like 2 times, so we can just say total number of users 2. Set minimum purchase amount for the entire cart. You can set a minimum purchase amount for the entire cart. So the discount code will only be applied when the cart is at a certain value. So let's say I can add it $50. When the person has added $50 worth of items in the cart, we can enable this coupon code for him. And then this is active dates. So start date and end date. You can select each of these and then save. Now our discount code is active. Like it says here, status active. Then you can edit it from here or delete it. It's up to you. Then next we can do is go to marketing. There's nothing about marketing over here. It's just you can go to different ad platforms like Google Ads or Facebook ads or Instagram ads and such. That's it. And then next we have store settings. Store name, the regional settings, all this, company information, payments. So in payments they have these options. This is dLocal Go. This is for Latin America. This is like 200 local payments you can use across Latin America. And then we have PayPal and Stripe. And then we also have manual payments. So if you like to have cash on delivery, you can enable this over here. And next, these are shipping, checkout, emails, taxes, and invoices. These are all these things that you can look at. Invoices, this is how the invoice will look like. You can make changes to it. So if you want the logo to appear on your invoice, you can add it from here and such. And this is it. Now next thing we can do is edit our website. So click on this edit website button. Now we are inside the editing page. So here you're going to find this. This is our preview domain that they allotted to us. You can connect your own domain, which I'm going to show at the end once I've showed the whole website builder. We are going to connect to a domain. It says autosave on, so you don't lose anything if you're like currently working on something and you just move to a different website and close it. It's going to autosave it, so you don't have to worry about save the project each time. And then backups, this is 0. As soon as you make it go live, it will keep saving new backups daily. So the backups you can always restore. If you did any mistake, you can just restore a backup from the last day. Now on the left hand side, you're going to find these elements. So this is add an element, pages and navigation, website styles, AI tools, online store, and website settings. So first thing, let's go to add element. This is all the elements that you can add on the website. So like here, if I select this is header, and I can click on this, and this is the logo part. So if I click on this says inside header settings, this is the logo. You can also use the AI to create a logo, which is available inside Hostinger. This is AI logo maker, which will redirect you to somewhere and you can create a logo. So you can scale up or down the logo width. And then you got shopping bag, so you can increase the size of the shopping bag icon if you want, icon text and such. And you can like move it left or right, and go to style and header. This is normal hover and such. You can check here the text font. Let's close this. And if you see here, this is edit navigation. So if you click on this, you are going to go to pages and navigation, and this is the same thing here. This is shop, about, contact, which is the same thing like this. The home page is set to the home, This is set to the default home page. We can rename it to something else. Just click on this cog icon and rename, which is going to give us this pop-up, which is going to be page settings, name in navigation. We can make it home new, and it's going to change it over here in the home in the menu settings as well. Just click on save, and if you click on this shop, it's going to redirect us to the shop page, and about, it's going to redirect us to the about page. And like this, you can just keep on changing it like that. And other pages, this is coming soon, which is going to be which you can also access over here. This is coming soon mode. This is just going to give you that maintenance page on top so that no one can access your website. So if you click this and edit the coming soon page, this is how the website would look like if you enable coming soon mode. And whenever someone comes to your website, they would be greeted with this page instead of your main live website. Let's disable this for now and go to our home new. Let's close this home. Let's close that pages and navigation, and let's say we want to edit this. Just double click on this, and we can change this. We can change it like this, and then let's say we want to move this up and down. Just click on it and hold it and move it up like this. It's very easy to do compared to like if you're using a WordPress Elementor or something. This is much better, very easy to do. And I can just move it up and down like that, and I can click on this edit button and change the where we have to link this button to. So when someone clicks on this button, where would we want the person to be redirected to? So you can enter your link over here. This is going to be a page, web address, section. If you want to redirect him to a section, so it's going to scroll down to that section that way. And then email address, so when someone clicks on here, it's going to redirect to the mail. It's going to open a web mail software, and you can email him. Phone number is going to open up the phone app, and you can dial the number. File download, it's going to download the file and such. This is how it is. And then style, so you can change the style. I can change the fill color to something else like this, and text color to be white, and it's going to change this. So if you click on hover, this is the normal one. If you click on hover, you can change the hover styles. So if I move my mouse on this button, it's going to change the button style. So I can make it this, and if I hover on it, it's going to change the text color. And if I change the text, if I change the fill color like this is how it is. It's very simple to do, and the animation is also there. So let's say when someone comes over to your website, do you want the button to fade or slide or scale? In my opinion, the slide is much better. So let's select slide and keep it like that. And if you scroll down, we can add a new section from here. So if we add a new section, we're going to find all of these already made templates that are available. You can select any of them, or you can generate a section with AI. We're going to look at the AI tools next, but for now, let's just maybe add an about section like this. This is how you can do it, and you have got all of these options like map, FAQ section, menu, Instagram feed, video. You can add your YouTube videos over here. So just click on this and you can add a video like this. Click on this and edit video. Change the video link to Vimeo or YouTube, or you can upload your own video, or you can upload a raw video as well. There's some options like autoplay. So if someone visits your website, it's going to autoplay the video for them. There's loop, so when the video stops playing, it's going to loop back to the starting point. Show video controls. Do you want the video controls to be there or not? You can do that. Next, on the left hand side, we're going to find website styles. This is all the colors that have been used. This is all the colors that have been used on the website. You can click on this, change the color and the fonts. So if I click on any of these fonts, let's say I click on Poppins, it's going to change all the text to this font. I can just change it to this or this. I think this font is much better for chocolates brand. So Grupo, we're going to select this, although I like Poppins more. So let's go to buttons. This is buttons. You can change the style of the button. So if you want the button to be rounded, you can select the first one or these two. Then animations. This is for the whole entire website. So let's say we want the animation to be fade. It's going to fade all the elements when someone visits your website. I would suggest to go for the slide one. It's going to slide all the elements like this. And then let's click close for this. And next we are going to look at AI tools. Click on this and we'll find AI image generator. So let's click that. So I wrote in a chocolate that is flowing, and you can just type in the description of it. Once you see these two green bars, you can then click on generate images. Otherwise it's going to be gray and you're not able to generate the image. So let's just click this, and I'm going to do a digital art and click create images. It's going to create 4 AI images for us for the description that you just wrote. And each time you generate an AI image, is going to take 4 credits out of your the credits that you have. For me, I have 50 credits, and out of that it just took 4 credits. So I currently have 46 credits available. And then these 4 images, I can just choose one of them, and I can insert it over here like this. I can do crop position, change image, duplicate, hide and show, delete, all these things. And if you make any mistake, just click on Ctrl Z and it's going to be back to the old version. Next, let's take a look at the AI writer. This is very straightforward. You can just type in the description of what you want to be written to write the text for it. Next, take a look at the AI page builder. This is going to build a page for us. So I'm going to say create a blog page. So I'm going to say create a blog page for website Hold Up Chocolates and include 2 sections, and then create a page. So it's going to start designing the layout and everything with the AI. Here our blog page is ready, and you can see delicious handcrafted chocolates here. This is the one section that it created, and this is the second section with our blogs over here. These are the 2 blogs, and I can edit these blogs. If I click on one of them, I can edit them. Here I can start writing, and I can use the AI writer to write our entire blog posts from here. And this is our title, description, and 1-minute read, and when the blog was posted and such. Next up, we have AI section generator. You can create a section with AI. You can just give it a command and you can create a section. Sections are like this. This is a section. This is another section. So you can ask it to create a section like this one. You can be very descriptive about the sections, and it's going to create those sections for you. Next, we're going to look at AI block generator. You can, it's like a regular AI block generator. Let's say I'm going to choose tone of voice formal, length of the words 800 to 1000, and I'm going to write in the blog description as 10 tips for chocolate addicts. And I'm also going to include pros and cons as well. Click on generate content. It's going to start creating a blog post for us with AI. Here it has generated a blog post, 10 tips for chocolate addicts, balancing indulgence and health. So it's a 4-minute read, and this is the time when the blog post was created, and the picture is also good, and this is the whole entire blog post that it created. You can read it. I think it looks good. And let's go to AI heat map. It's going to create an attention map. So here our heat map is ready, and this is just an attention heat map. So when someone visits your website, where they are looking at, what section or text is grabbing more attention of our customer, this is what it shows. So if it's on purple, it's going to be less attention, and if it's all the way up to like pink, it's more attention. So that area is getting more attention that way. You can enable or disable it from here. So you can see if you want one section to have more attention from the user, you can keep changing it and enable heat map to check if that particular section is in pink. If it's in pink, it's going to get more attention from our user. That's how it is. Let's disable it. and let's click on AI tools again. And this is AI SEO assistant. This is SEO assistant. You can do SEO for each of these. You can generate a new SEO info by AI. Let's click on this, and this is what it is. Let's click on next step. Include keywords for your website. These are handpicked, so you can just click which one you like. I would suggest for this website, I think flavorful treats crafted would be good. Next step. Next we have this. This is review search engine appearance. So you can include the title over here and the meta description. This is it. I'm going to add in the end. I'm going to add in the end the brand name, which is going to be Hold Up Chocolates. And then the meta description, you're going to add the brand name as well for the SEO. And you can see here, it's already added the brand name Hold Up Chocolates. Let's click on finish and our SEO is done. But if you want to change a few things here and there, you can go to each of these pages and change the SEO for each of them. Next up, we have AI Logo Maker. Let's go here. And it's going to redirect us to AI Logo Maker by Hostinger. This is a separate website. It's not integrated inside that AI website builder. So here you can create yourself, or you can create with AI. Let's say, because we have our chocolate brand, this is Hold Up Chocolates. So we're going to say chocolate. Just say chocolates, that's it. And this is abstract corporate. So let's go for mascots. Make the logo colorful would be good. And let's click on generate. It's going to take us 1 credit away from our total credits, which was 50, which became 46, and now it is like 45. So here our logo is created with the mascot as well. So I was wrong here. I think it's just 1 credit, and you will have to buy more credits for generating each of these logos. So here, if you have generated 1, you have 0 credits now, and you have to buy credits. So that's how it is. And you can create yourself from here. There are more AI logo generators out there. If you want, you can let me know in the comments, and I'm going to make a video about it, which are free as well. So let's go back to our website builder, and let's go to blog, and this is manage your blogs. You can this is all drafts scheduled and published. So if there's a blog you want to edit, just click on these 3 dots, and it's going to give you a drop down. You can create a QR code, but this is only available when you go live. Then publish, post settings, and all this here, post URL and such. Then we have online store. This is going to list us all our products, and you can manage the products from here. You can click on this SEO. You can click on this cog icon, and you can edit the product and such over here. Then next we can go here, blog, appointments, general settings, integrations. These are all the integrations that are available. This is Google Analytics. If you want to add a Google Analytics code, you can add from here. Custom code, Hotjar. This is the one I was talking about, the Hotjar. This is exactly like the heat map that we were talking in the AI heat map section. And this is exactly like that. But there's another alternative to this, which would be Microsoft Clarity, which is free. But if you want, you can connect Hotjar as well. If you want to add a chat plugin like crisp.im, or you want to add the Microsoft Clarity code, you can add it over here in the custom code section. You got WhatsApp Connect as well. Next, click on these 3 dots on the left hand side, and you have got media library. All the images that you import into the website builder, you're going to see over here. The images, AI images, documents and such, you can upload from here, create a folder and such. Then next we have analytics, form submissions. Here in form submissions, you can view lists. All the anyone who submits in your contact form or newsletter is going to show us over here in submissions. This is analytics. There's no data available because the website is not live yet. Then we can go for export website files. This is if you want to move to a different hosting and you do not want to enable AI website builder. But I have seen that it says what isn't exported. This is online store products are not exported, online store details are not exported, but otherwise all other things are exported. And the form submissions is also not exported. So the thing is, they want you to keep using Hostinger AI website builder. You can use something else for your main page and the other pages, but if you want to use the store and the e-commerce facilities, you would have to use Hostinger AI website builder. You could use WordPress and have your homepage designed and such, and then whenever someone clicks on that product link, it's going to redirect it to this page which you have set up, and they can order it from here. Click on these three dots again, and we have multi-language. Let's click this starting language. I'm going to set up the starting language as English because the site is currently in English, and we can change the flag from here. You can add another language. Let's say I'm going to add Spanish, which is going to be Espanol, so we can add this language and change the flag to this flag. This is change the flag to this, and click on this. You can make it default, hide, or remove. Now we have added another language, which is Spanish, but the website will not be changed to Spanish automatically. So we have to make changes to each of the texts ourselves. So how to do that? First, switch to that language, and then let's say we want to change this home new. So we will click on the edit navigation, come over here, click on the cog icon and rename. So for home, I'm sure it means casa. So I'm going to say casa over here, and I'm going to click on save. So now if I click on this and change the language to English, it's going to change our menu navigation title back to home. And if I click on this and change to Espanol, it's going to change it to Casa. That's how it is. Let's click on the three dots again. It's going to give us our drop down back to us. Now let's click on manage backups. You will find that see all the backups currently because the site is not live yet. First, you need to make the website go live, and then you will have backups daily that you can restore anytime you want. Let's click on close here. Let's click on three dots again. These are all the help and resources, what's new and such. Now let's connect our domain. So click on this, connect domain. It's going to redirect us to add domain section. Here you can add a domain. I'm just going to use one of the domains that I have lying around. I'm just going to type in creatorspathway.com. I'm just going to type in creatorspathway.com, and it's going to give us this, which says registered at another provider. We're going to click this and click on next. It says you're almost there. To view your website, make changes, you must connect your domain to Hostinger's name servers. So back to Hostinger Builder. Here it will say let's activate whatever domain you're trying to connect, and your domain is registered at Namecheap, or whichever domain registrar is there. It's going to say that, and let's get started. It's going to say your old name servers are here. This is going to be Cloudflare. I'm using Cloudflare for DNS, so if you want to change this, you will have to use these two name servers. So let's go to Namecheap like this. This is going to be the dashboard of Namecheap, and go to your domain like this one, Creators Pathway. We're going to click on manage. When you're inside this, you will find the name servers here, and just click on this drop down. It will be Namecheap basic DNS. Just click on custom DNS, and you can change both of these DNS name servers over here. You can add a name server like this, and I've added both the Hostinger's name servers like this. Now go back here and click on continue, and it's going to say all set, and then you can just click on finish. That's it. Now once you have pointed the domain to the hosting, it's going to say this domain connected. That's all. Then next you can go to this button which is going to say go live. Click on this and it's going to make your website go live on that domain. And it says your site is live now. Congrats. That's good. Let's click on view site and it's going to redirect us to this. This is creatorspathway.com. So here you can see that the site is now active and our web page is loading, which is good. Let's click on shop. It's going to redirect us to shop, about, contact. Everything is working fine. Let's go to blog section, blog page. All these are working fine, and that's it. If you want to make any more changes, you can just make the change, click on update website, and it's going to update the website again. It's that simple. Now share your website. You can share it with a link or a QR code. This is the QR code. You can share it and you can give it to some of your friends or family, and they can scan that QR code and they can come to your website. You can preview the website in mobile by clicking over here. You can make the AI auto fix layout like that. Click on update website again. Make sure to update the website every time. It has auto save on, so don't have to worry about it, but still make sure to keep it up. Then we have auto save on, then we have backups. This is one backup is already created. It says latest backup is this on the date and time. You can manage backups from here and you can restore them. Restore the backup. Backups are stored for 30 days. You can see here backups are stored for 30 days, and each day it's going to just take the backup. It's just going to take each day it's going to take another backup, and then you can export from the managed backups. So I think that's all for today for Hostinger AI Website Builder. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding Hostinger or the AI Website Builder. I'm simplifying digital tech for you. So if you like videos on tools and tech, don't forget to subscribe and check out the playlist on the right. See you in the next one.